Good afternoon everyone. Myself Shreyash Gupta. Today I am here because I got an opportunity from Qs. So basically this journey was started from the February where I got a chance for a free training of Java full stack development from Qspiders. So I got delayed by joining in there in the institute. So the trainers were so helpful. So they allowed me, after dealing of 3 to 4 months, they allowed me and they given me the free training from this Qspiders Institute. So first of all, I'll be thankful for that to giving me this opportunity. Then after coming here, I got a batch of SQL where Raviteja sir has given a lot of detailed knowledge regarding the structured query language subject, which was so helpful to understand the database easily. And then sir has boosted my communication skills, as do I have a good communication skills, but sir has given me a brush up sessions regarding that. Then I have gone through the web technology batch where sir has taught me the API testing in detail. After that I have joined the Java batch where Shrikant sir was a fab, and he is my one of the most favorite trainer from the Qspiders. They is like my friend. They told me everything in detail. They helped me regarding the placements. They given me multiple of calls from their side and Qspiders side too. Then after that I have seated in the manual testing batch where Krutan ma'am has given me the lot of knowledge regarding the manual testing. Ma'am was so helpful. Without giving me the final mock, ma'am has allowed me to sit in multiple training and placement program. Thank you.